Welcome to Cyber Trending. In today's video, we'll discuss the iPhone 14. Apple announces its new flagship iPhone lineup every year. It is expected that Apple will announce and release the iPhone 14 lineup in September. Is it better to buy an iPhone now or wait until the iPhone 14 is announced next month? What to expect from iPhone 14? The iPhone 14 lineup is expected to include 4 new models: iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This year, there won't be an iPhone 14 mini. Instead, Apple plans to release 2 models with 6.1-inch screens and 2 with 6.7-inch screens. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max are expected to look similar to the iPhone 13, while the iPhone 14 Pro will have bigger changes. Several reports indicate that the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will feature a pill hole design instead of a notch, in place of the notch display cutout design introduced with the iPhone X. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will feature pill-shaped and hole-punched cutouts. In addition, the iPhone 14 lineup is expected to include major upgrades to the rear-facing camera and selfie camera. Apple's iPhone 14 will use the same A15 chip as the iPhone 13, while its iPhone 14 Pro will use the A16 chip. The iPhone 14 Pro models will also include a new always-on display. Is it better to buy now or wait for the iPhone 14? There is a good chance that you already know the answer to the question. Since the iPhone 14 is just over a month away, it is much better to wait than buy an iPhone now. And this isn't just because it will be the latest and greatest, with all the best specs and features. One of the biggest reasons to wait for the iPhone 14 instead of buying now is that other models will become cheaper when the iPhone 14 is released. When the iPhone 14 is available, you'll be able to order an iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 for less than you can now. It doesn't matter if you buy directly from Apple or from a third party. This is what we expect the iPhone lineup to look like once the iPhone 14 has been announced. iPhone SE, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. It is rumored that the iPhone 14 lineup will start at $799. According to current pricing, the iPhone 13 will start at $599 and the iPhone 12 at $499. Even if you don't intend to buy the iPhone 14, you're better off waiting for the iPhone 14. You're always better off waiting until September if you're shopping for a new iPhone in August. That's true this year, and pretty much every other year. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like our video. Every Sunday, we will post the latest technology video, and every Tuesday, we will post the latest financial video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.